Hello there. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to put your cover pages onto your notebook. We will be doing an interactive notebook this year in science, along with our student readers, which you see here, and our labs and our activities and experiments. So we're going to get our notebook set up and some great information at the beginning of the year to set us up for a lot of success through all of our units during the school year. So each student is going to get a cover page that says either 4th or 5th grade science interactive notebook and has a picture of all of the units we hope to get to during the school year, as well as either a red and orange kind of flask and beaker or green and blue. Red and orange are the colors for 418 and 419, and blue and green are for 520 and 521. So for our cover of our notebook, we're going to make sure that our name and homeroom, once we know what homeroom we're in, goes at the bottom nice and big. Print is fine in a marker or a pen, something that Mrs. Fisher can easily see. And then the side of our notebook is going to end up having some duct tape to match our homeroom color. Then we'll put some nice thick tape on, and we're going to do this during the school day. For right now, I'm just going to put a little bit of regular tape in the corners. I'm going to roll it up. I'm going to put it in the corners. We don't need to go crazy with tape or glue. And then I will put it onto my notebook. When I have nice bigger tape that almost looks like it will be laminated, I'll put that over top. So my notebook cover is nice and secure. And I have to make sure my name's on it before I put the tape over that part. So we have our notebook front cover completely done. The inside cover, this is going to be page 1. If you numbered your notebook pages, like you followed the video, our left-hand side page, or our right-hand side pages, so the first page here, when we open it up, the next right-hand side page, the next right-hand side page, are going to have red numbers at the bottom, and we're starting with number 1. Bottom right-hand corner, get a nice number 1. Then the next red hand page would be a number 3. Upside down and backwards is not my best work. Then it would be a 5. So we have that all done. On page 1, we are going to put our cover page. Yours might have a white background. Mine has a pretty blue, but you'll have 4 different colored beakers again, 4th grade and 5th grade, and it will say Introduction to Science. This is going to be the top of our first unit, and we're going to put this on the very first page. Again, I'm going to take some tape, and I'm going to just put a little bit on the corners in the back, roll it up, all 4 corners, and then what I can do, once it's on the notebook page, is we want to make sure that we can still see the page number. Then I can put a little bit of tape on the top over each corner. That way the page is really secure without using an entire roll of tape for one page in our notebook. And there we go. So we've now completed putting our front cover page on, putting our name nice and big at the bottom, I did all caps to make sure people know this is my copy. Your homeroom can go somewhere on here as well. We know it's 4th grade. We will have tape for our spine to reinforce that. And then on page 1, we have our Introduction to Science cover page. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to put in a space for a table of contents on page 2 and how we will begin to go through our notebook this year. Alrighty, I will see you in the next video.